Yeah! I am like screaming. My mom, oh my gosh, y'all. This is what's when I tell y'all my dead Santa tag is real. All the issues, I can't even talk because I'm so happy. All the issues I was having with my sewing machine. And my mommy bought me a new one. Oh my gosh. The FedEx man just rang the doorbell and I opened it. It was like a sewing machine sitting there. I was like, oh my gosh. Yo, oh, I'm gonna have to call her right now. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Thank you, mommy. I love you. Mwah. Y'all, look at this nasty-ish. Her stomach, his ass out. That's just nasty. Come on, man. Nasty. Tonight.
See? One's that.
You sound like you're saying one band, one sound. Drumline.
One's that. See this piece of trash?
Who gave you that?
It's something like
What the heck? Why you pick up that big box?
Wait, that's
Crunch it. What is it?
Crunch and Munch family size.
What? Oh, I was gonna eat that? What your balls like you like is back here. The Chewies?
Yeah.
Right there. They done disappeared. I'm guessing they're around the corner. Make up your mind or you not getting none. You want to try new cheeses? Make a cheese platter that tastes really good. So, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with her, Kyrie?
She want a necklace.
Why she want a necklace? Get your hand on my camera. We're not friends today.
Cause she
See?
thinks she all
Are we gonna
sassy.
go through this every day?
Is the reason why she don't get a necklace is because
What is
is
that?
the reason why she
Pick that up for me, please.
is the reason why she want to teach you because she want to be sassy.
She want to be what?
Sassy.
Oh. Go, Dora! Go, Dora! Dora is killing it. Hey, get it, Dora. Get it, Dora. Hey, Dora. Hey. Wah. Hey. I can't.
I can't believe I just saw that.
On a Tuesday.
On a Tuesday. On a Tuesday. On a Tuesday. this. Can I shake my hips? No.
Jesus.
Okay, wait. I'm doing some balance here. Woo. Now with the other feet. Like a Statue of Liberty. What?
How you know this song?
I heard it.
What radio? Sherrod.